The Nike Air Max 95 continues its strong momentum in 2025, and now it's making an unexpected move onto the golf course. Nike has officially brought the iconic Air Max 95 into its golf lineup, blending classic running design with modern on-course performance. Originally designed by Sergio Lozano in 1995, the silhouette has been reworked with a spikeless outsole built specifically for the green, offering solid traction while staying course-friendly. This updated setup pairs perfectly with the signature Air Max cushioning, providing lasting comfort and stability throughout a full 18 holes. The upper has also been refined with improved ventilation and a cleaner, more streamlined shape, making it both functional and stylish. A newly revealed black, anthracite, and white colorway adds a versatile and premium look that fits easily with any golf fit. Official images are already out, and the Nike Air Max 95 Golf is expected to release through Nike.com and select retailers by May 2026. Stay tuned for more updates.